Hello everyone! Nice to meet you! Welcome back to Rebecca's English Playground. 레베카 선생님의 영어 놀이터에 오신 것을 환영합니다. Okay, do you remember the book we've read before? We're going on a bear hunt. Okay, it was a really funny book. 우리 지난 시간에 읽었던 We're going on a bear hunt 라는 책 기억나요? 그 책 엄청 재밌었죠? And today I'm going to introduce you some activities you can play with your kids at home when they are really bored. 아기들이, 친구들이 집에서 너무너무 심심할 때 엄마들이 같이 놀 수 있는 재미있는 활동 알려드릴게요. Okay, all you need to prepare is a rod. Backup rod. I'm going to show you. 짠! This is a rod. We called it backup rod. 자, 여기 백업이 있어요. And I put the velcro sticker at the end. 자, 이 끝에 선생님이 이렇게 velcro 스티커를 붙여놨어요. And then I'm going to put this bear at the end of the backup. Okay. 자, 이 뒤에다가 백업 끝에다가 이렇게 곰을 붙이고 시작을 할게요. I'm gonna show you some video clips so you can understand very well. 자, 설명을 듣기 위해서 제가 앞으로 친구들과 함께 놀이하는 걸 보여드릴게요. Okay, are you ready? 자, 준비되셨나요? 가볼까요? Here we go!
Look at me, look at you, look at you. Okay, everybody, where are we going? We are going on a bear hunt. Okay, we're going to catch a bear. You have to catch it at 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ooh, you have to catch it at 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try it one more time again. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, go back. Over here. Where are we going? Remember where are we going? We are going on a bear hunt. Okay, let's catch the bear. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, you catch a bear. Nice bird. Okay, now where are we going? We are going on a bear hunt. Catch the bear. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2. You have to catch it at 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. Look at me, look at me. Look at you, look at you. Okay, there's the bread. Ooh, can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Okay, go over it. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Over it. Yeah. Can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Over it. Jump. Good job. Can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Over it. Can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Over it. Over it. Can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Over it. Can you go over it? No, I can't go over it. Can you go under it? Yes, I can go under it. Can you go under it? Yes, I can go under it. Can you go under it? Yes, I can go under it. Can you go under it? No, I can't go under it. Okay, can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Can you go under it? No, I can go under it. Can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Go over it. Can you go under it? No, I can't go under it. Can you go over it? Yes, I can go over it. Over it. Wow. Okay,
really had fun. 어머, 우리 친구들 너무 재밌게 놀았죠? Wow, you can play like this with your mom at home. 자, 집에서 우리 친구들도 엄마와 함께 재밌게 놀아보아요. 오케이, 우리 다음에 만날 때까지 bye bye. See you later.